Fifi, why are you staring at me? Oh, here he comes. Oh, hi, Fifa. Hi, baby. You're creepy staring at me like that. Oh, there's a good boy. Oh, him's good boy. Okay, stop. Give me my arm back. Crazy dog. Oh, you're going to just stand right there and stare at me now? You're just going to keep staring? Can I help you, sir? Huh. And here he stares. Oh, good. Good, he laid down. But he's still watching. Huh. We'll see how long he stays watching. And he's still staring. I'm betting he's not going to move. Oh well, it's better than him sitting there staring. Bye, Leroy.